Well, welcome back to Wrenching Rick's Mayhem Garage. We went to leave and we didn't realize that there were a few more activities to look at, including a monster truck. Let's walk around, look at the other stuff, and we will come back to this. This is a beautiful Kenworth K100 Aerodyne cab over. Unbelievable.
They're on their way.
Here's a bunch of newer Kenworths we got here. I see an oldie down there, an old Kenworth. It's got to be in the 50s. So I'm not good with the old trucks, but I love the way the fenders form into the running boards. Needle nose Kenworth, awesome. $359. Heavy haul. Got the lift axle, 3-axle wagon. These are mostly newer stuff. Pete's, Kenworths. Here's an oldie here. We'll check this out. Another Diamond Rio. Another beautiful truck. $1964, I believe. I'm starting to think. This is a Diamond T. I stand corrected. It's not a Diamond Rio. And it's got a Cummins in there. Yes, it does. This is another truck that made a man out of you. Look at that bumper. That bumper's solid steel. Channel. It's not a regular bumper. The cab looks totally original, but the frame and everything is painted up nice. We'll mosey on over to this side. We'll stay here. Freightliner cab over with Cummins in it. That's probably in the 80s. That's a poor one. You can still use that truck. Let's take a shortcut. Now that is a heavy truck. That is an extremely heavy machine. This is a large unit. And I bet you has 800 horse under that hood. At least. Oh yeah. Yep. Beautiful truck. Love that Emerald color. These are all newer 389s here. Here's some oldies over here. There's an old Marmon camper. That's pretty cool. These are all Marmon cab overs. I'm impressed. The cab looks all original, never painted, but well, the frame is definitely stretched on this bad boy. Got a Cummins in there. Dual air cleaners, that's really pretty. Cattle wagon. Pigs, cows, steers. Air ride. This is another beautiful truck. This Marmon. Beautiful, beautiful truck. Incredible truck. They quit making them many, many years ago. And this one's in really, really beautiful shape. Finish it off. We'll finish the 389s off and we'll end once again. Sorry for the two-parters. I didn't plan on that. So that'll be about it. And once again, I wish everybody a fine day. I was just scoping to see if there's anything else. Nothing left. Wish everybody a nice day at Wrenching Rick's Mayhem Garage. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.